Hi boys and girls, Miss Sieradzki here. Today we're just going to look at something we know and we're going to add a little something extra to it that's kind of new. So this is an addition problem that we already know how to solve. When we add, we always start in the ones place. So I'm going to start in my ones place to add these numbers. So I'm adding 47 plus 35. When I go to my ones place, I have 7 plus 5. So let's think, what's 7 plus 5? Oh, 12. Can I write 12 on the bottom? No, I can't. So my 2 goes on the bottom, and then I regroup my 1 into the box. Okay, then I go ahead and I add my 10s. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 1 more is 8, and I can write that on the bottom. So this is something that we already know. 47 plus 35 equals 82. So we're going to make this a little bit trickier by adding in a hundreds place. So all I'm going to do is add in some hundreds over here. And we would do this problem the same way. Once I add the ones, I get 12. Then I add the tens, I get 8. And last I add my hundreds. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, so we do this exactly the same way. We just add those hundreds last. Okay, so let's take a look at something else. Okay, boys and girls, so all I really did here was I gave us a frame since this is something new that we're working on. So let's go ahead and label our places first. We know that this is the ones. This is where we always start. Then we have our tens. We'll go there next. And last we have our hundreds. We'll add those last. So let's try another number using our frame to help us. So let's try out 149 plus 261. Okay, so I filled in this problem for us, and just like always, we're going to start in the ones place. So here are my ones. I'm going to start by adding 9 plus 1. Oh, that's easy, 10. Uh-oh. Can I put a 10 in the bottom? No. So my 1 from my 10 is going to be regrouped into the next box. So I put it at the box at the top. Then I add my 10s. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Can I put 11 in my box at the bottom? Nope. Same as before. If I have 2 digits on the bottom, if it's 10 or more, I need to regroup into the next box. So that one's going to go into the next box. Then I add my hundreds. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 more is 4. Okay, and we're done. Hundreds are the last ones we need to add, so now I know my answer is 410. Okay, let's try another one. I'm just going to erase all of our work for this one. We're still going to use the frame to help us. Okay. So this time, let's try to add 682 plus 134. Okay, so we have some new numbers to try now. Always start in the ones place, so I head over to my ones to start. 2 plus 4, right, that's 6. Easy peasy. Do I need to regroup? No, it's not 10 or more, so I do not need to regroup in the next box. Then I add my 10s. 8 plus 3. Oh, that's 11. Can I put 11 underneath for my answer? No, I put a 1 on the bottom and I regroup a 1 in the next spot. Then I add my hundreds. 6 plus 1 is 7, and 1 more is 8. That's it. I'm done. I know my answer is 816. All right, let's change this one more time. We're going to do one more problem together. Okay, so this time, let's do, let's do 408 plus 396. Okay, so we're ready to add again. Of course, we always start in the ones place, so I'm going to head over there first. In my ones, I see 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. Oh, that's 14. Can I put 14 on the bottom? No. I just put the 4. My 1 goes in the next spot to regroup. Then I add my 10s. 9 plus 0, easy peasy, that's still 9. And one more makes 10. Uh-oh, can I put 10 on the bottom? No, I just put the 0. My 1 is going to get regrouped in the next spot. Now I add my hundreds. 4 plus 3 is 7, and one more is 8. This time my answer is 804. So keep in mind, boys and girls, you can regroup twice if you need to. Remember, we regroup if there is 10 or more. Don't forget. Hope we can try something new by adding in our hundreds when we add. Take a look at the next activity to try it out for yourself. Happy learning!